Start Open House this year is from the 8th till the 10th of October, and it's from 9 o'clock till 6 o'clock, and it's at our technical centre in Derby. The difference with this event is it's not all about turning, it's showing the capabilities of the machines and all the functionalities of these machines and educating our customers. The milling side of the machines, we're being asked more by the customers of the prismatic components and what they can do, so they want to utilise our machines to produce the components in one hit in a better cycle time and become more efficient basically. This year at the show there's going to be 8 machines we're showcasing, and one of them is going to be a new machine, and it's going to be a 38mm machine. The new 38mm machine is a new machine. I can't tell you much more about it. It's got all new technology on it. You've got to come to the show because it's a very exciting machine to see. The partners at the show, we're going to have JBS, Floyd, Filtermist, WNT, Renishaw, Fanuc, Blum and Wogard. The software at the show this year we're going to be showcasing is Schmoozy, HFT and NC Assist, all to kind of enhance the capabilities in the machines. HFT is a software that we've introduced for high frequency turning to improve the capabilities of the chipping in the machining centre. Schmoozy is a monitoring system to link all the machines together so you can have visibility of what all the machines are doing at one time remotely. NC Assist is a software that makes it very easy to program. It is template driven, so it's got all the templates on there, so you can actually build the program up using all the templates that are already preloaded. All these softwares will be demonstrated at the open house, so you can actually see them operating and asking as many questions as you like of the sales guys and application guys. You need to register before the 2nd of September, because if you do, you're in the chance of winning an iPad. There's daily prize draws this year at the event, so they're not to be missed as well, so they're exciting as well, so you need to come along and see those. You can register this year on our website, stargb.com/open.